The first incubation. Now we have to do washing. Okay? It is stated here that aspirate the fluid and then put 1 ml of the working buffer solution. Okay? So here,
aspirate
number 1.
This is after 1 hour.
After 1 hour, yes.
This all of that waste also.
Yeah. Sorry? Yeah. So 1 ml, 1.0 ml, okay, of the working strength universal buffer solution, and then incubate for 5 minutes in the rocking shaker.
Sige, ikaw naman.
Ikaw muna.
They don't want, doctor.
Come on, Salah. Let's Salah.
You measured 1 ml?
Come on. Let's Salah with the circle.
1 ml. Third one.
Only 1 ml?
Okay, third one.
Just about.
Just what?
Okay, put here in the shaker.
Adjust the flow. Let someone adjust.
Wash
one
3
from
times 5 minutes.
Okay,
After
5
5
minutes.
Then after 5 minutes again
You
wash.
have to wait. Start shaking. Anyway,
No need to cover.
cover. Then after 5 minutes, second wash. Incubate 5 minutes and then third wash.
Discard first. And
Yes,
then
discard first and then
Second wash 1 ml also.
1 ml.
You have 5 minutes.
How many washing we will do, sir?
3 times.
3 times.
So here, washing 3 times for 5 minutes.
Between time and time, 5 minutes.
For washing it will consume 15 minutes.
With conjugate, aspirate the fluid and then pipette 1 ml of enzyme conjugate into the incubation channel containing the blood strip. Incubate for 60 minutes in rocking shaker. So put
1 ml, 3 of them.
yes 1 ml. Here, incubate again
Incubate again. For 1 hour, sir.
for 1 hour.
1 hour.